In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out an image in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a background and isolate your subject with just a couple of clicks, so your designs look clean and professional. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is on the screen, click the image you want to cut out. It's important that the image is selected, because that's what makes the editing options appear. When the image is selected, you'll notice a toolbar along the top of the editor. In that toolbar, look for the option labeled BG Remover, sometimes shown as Background Remover. Go ahead and click it. Canva will process the image automatically for a moment. You'll see a brief progress indicator, and then the background will disappear, leaving just the subject cut out against transparency. That's all there is to it. The tool is designed to detect the main subject and remove the background cleanly, so you usually get a good result without any extra work. This is especially handy for product shots, profile images, and thumbnails, where you want a crisp, distraction-free look. If you don't see the background remover button in the top toolbar, don't worry. With your image still selected, click the Effects button in that same toolbar. Inside Effects, look for Background Remover and click it there. It does exactly the same thing. It's just accessed from a different panel depending on your layout. If you still can't find it, check the left-hand sidebar. Click on Apps and use the search bar to look for BG Remover. When it appears, select it to activate the tool. Sometimes interface layouts change, or your window size hides certain buttons, so using Effects or the Apps section is a reliable way to bring the remover into view. Also, make sure you actually have the image selected. If nothing is selected, the background remover won't show up. Once the removal is complete, your subject is isolated and ready to place over any background color or layout in your project. That's it. It's a quick, one-click process designed to save you time and keep your workflow tidy. To recap in simple terms, open your project, click the image, use BG Remover from the toolbar. If it's not visible, open Effects or go to Apps and search for BG Remover. With that, you can create clean cutouts fast and keep your designs looking sharp and consistent.